Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I'm going to show in this video how to adjust color threshold videos effect on your VLC Media Player. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to adjust color threshold video effect on your VLC Media Player, then I will show you simple method how to do this. First of all, you have to open your VLC Media Player. After that, in top you can see tools option. You have to just click on these tools, then click on effect and filters. In this you can see video effects. You need to click on that. After that, here you can see colors option. Just click on colors. Here you will find two options, color extraction and color threshold. So you can check mark this by selecting color threshold, and here you can adjust saturation and similarity. As you can just drag it and drop it and just set your saturation, then click on save, then close this window. That's it guys. So in this way you can adjust color threshold video effect on your VLC Media Player. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.